Hello, hi everybody. This is lecture number 24 in the course of cybersecurity for beginners. In this lecture, we're going to introduce the roles of the cybersecurity specialist or those who are going to work as cybersecurity playing roles. We know that the world of cybersecurity is wide and ever-changing and fast-changing actually, providing countless jobs options, means many jobs for many people with varied talent and interest. So the professionals in this field work to keep the digital systems, networks, and data safe from illegal access, breaches, and other dangers from cyber attack. So I'm listing here around 10 areas where the role of the cybersecurity specialist can work, like cybersecurity analyst, penetration tester, security engineer, incident response specialist, cybersecurity consultant, security architect, cybersecurity trainer or educator, maybe also in this field, and chief information security officer, which widely used actually. Then digital forensic investigator and maybe malware or virus analyst. On the right side, I'm trying to show the options of the cybersecurity specialist can work. Let's start with the first one, the cybersecurity analyst. This is the responsibility where he has or she has to monitor network activity, to identify security breaches, or sometimes investigates and respond to incidents. Also implement measures to protect data and infrastructure from cyber attack. Just I'm trying to give a few tasks like analyzing unusual login patterns to detect potential account compromises, or maybe running vulnerability scans on company systems. Right side here, I just maybe can be specialist in intrusion detection, maybe incident response, or maybe virus specialist, auditor of source code, and many others. The second role or area, penetration tester, or maybe what we call ethical hacker. The responsibility could be simulate cyber attack to identify weaknesses in the system. Means that taking some kind of measures before the incidents happen, or maybe conduct security assessment from time to time, or on the networks or on the application and devices. These examples of the some tasks can be done by the penetration tester, be attempting to bypass a company's firewall using tools like Metasploit just for testing, or maybe sometimes creating a report within a recommendation for mitigating identified vulnerability. Of course, it has to take this role. The third one, the security engineer, which is quite broad a little bit, but the roles and responsibility can be shown like safeguarding digital asset, or spotting weak spots, or maybe design and implement security measures to protect systems, and maybe updating or responding to any updated. Maintain also and troubleshoot security tools such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Just showing some examples here, like what supposed to do this engineer, like configuring advanced firewall roles to block malicious traffic, or maybe deploying and maintaining an endpoint security solution across all company devices, and many others. And we don't forget the teaching and training security awareness for employee or for the users. Next one, the incident response specialist. Is quite act quickly during the cyber attack or data breaches, maybe contain or investigate and resolve the security incidents since it's happening. And of course here there is the incident response, there for sonic analyst, communication specialist, legal, and so on. This is just a few examples of tasks can be done by the incident response specialist, like isolating an affected workstation in case the incident happened, to prevent malware spread or to stop the spreading, or also reviewing attacks logs to understand the source where the attack come from and method for of a breach. Next one, the cybersecurity consultant, quite high job. This one provide experts or experience or advice to organization on improving their security posture, access also existing systems and testing, and recommend security enhancements, maybe recommend for another security measure. This type of task, as example, say conducting a risk assessment for a small business, designing a comprehensive cybersecurity policies for financial intrusion and others. Next one, the cybersecurity trainer or educator. This one educate the individual or the users and teams about cybersecurity best practice, develop training programs and certification for cybersecurity professionals. Also maybe can have a data and record management, installation protocols, password safety, and so on. These few examples, the task can be done by the cybersecurity educator. Maybe creating a phishing awareness workshops or probably means in case of training in short courses or lectures. Delivering online maybe training for aspiring ethical hackers from time to time. The Chief Information Security Officer is very common nowadays, and that's the responsibility can lead the overall cybersecurity strategy, since it's Chief Officer means high level of boss. Also ensure compliance with security regulations and industry incident. Means that this Chief Information Security Officer, this is like the highest officer in this job. These are some of the examples here, maybe presenting a cybersecurity budget proposal to the board of directors or governors to approve, or maybe overseeing the development of an organization-wide incident response plan, following up, monitoring, and making a next plan, also making maybe strategic plan for the organization. Digital forensic investigator, very important nowadays. Some of the responsibility can recover, analyze digital evidence. This one has work after the incidents happen. Support law enforcement investigations. These some of the tasks examples are retrieving deleted files from compromised server to understand the breach or to understand the source where the attack come from. Testifying in court about the finding of cybercrime investigation. This is something to do with the law, and you can see here maybe can be divided in phases: identification phase, acquisition phase, and then analysis phase and reporting phase also. Of course, these all roles should have kind of skills, like technical skills. I mean, the proficiency in programming, maybe networking, computer engineering, cryptography, and system administration also. Analytical thinking also, ability to investigate incidents and identify root causes. Of course, communication is very important also, strong skills for reporting in terms of writing or in terms of presentation, and collaborating with the teams, other people. Of course, don't forget the certification. Certifications such as CISSP or CH and TOMTA security. There are so many certificates are often required or beneficial, of course, as additive. We come to conclusion. Cybersecurity career or role offer a broad range of opportunity tailored to different skill sets and interests, from analyzing threats to build robust defense. I mean, all process here mechanism. Each role is critical in safeguarding the digital world. So understanding these roles help the beginners map up or plan a path to achieve their career goals in cybersecurity. So that is for this lecture. Thank you very much.